Alright, let's go. What's up, guys? We're here with the Mocakas. So today here at Racebek, we're gonna be driving my goal car, aka the Lamborghini Huracan. I've driven it before, but I haven't filmed it. So anyways, I made this a goal for myself a little while back. I want to get one July 2023. So I want to get one like before I'm 30 for sure. I'm 25 right now. But yeah, so I bought the C7Z, but that car's gonna be gone. We're gonna end up with a Huracan next. Probably a coupe 610. This one has a full roll and body kit that's fixed with duct tape. Got some 3-piece wheels. Obviously the gold wrap. This one's a convertible, but then he's got an exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and mount the GoPro, get my reactions, talk about it a little bit, and see you guys there. Hey Roberto, how do you turn on this bitch car?
Just press the bitch button.
Press the bitch button.
Yeah.
Perfect. Press the bitch button. All right, so here's a cockpit. It's beautiful. Honestly, this car is a lot more comfortable than the. Did you stall? hey, he tried to press the bitch button. Yeah. So, anyways, we got the keys down there, and then we got the start-stop button here. So we're gonna go ahead and press that. This car sounds sick. But yeah, you're gonna have manual buttons and everything. We go ahead and mount it on there and get a point of view, and then I'll see you guys in like 1 minute. All right, guys, it's go time. It's go time in our. I don't want to call it a dream car because here, let me just get going straight, and then I'll explain that. Let me get the seat going. That's good actually. So I think I'll go take off the e-brake, go reverse. That's pretty sick how this works. Freaking Roberto. There. Dude, this thing just sounds amazing, man. Let's go. Oh my God, this is insane. Alright guys, so here we are driving, I don't want to call it a dream car, but 4th gear. Let's go down to 3rd. Go down to 2nd. Oh my God! So this thing it doesn't feel like the fastest car ever, to be honest. The Z06 is faster. But man, this thing shifts nice. Holy crap. Oh my God. So anyways, a little bit of background, guys. You guys remember the RCF? When the RCF came out, I hated that car. I was like, this car is ugly, the ISF is way better. Then I saw a modded one and then I fell in love with it. So anyways, this car, I never really liked the Huracan. How it looked, right? So oh man, so like, all right, anyways, me and one of my girlfriends from back in college, you know, we used to talk a little bit, and she wanted to buy a stupid Gallardo. It was like baby blue convertible, and I'm like, you're stupid. Oh shit. And I was like, you're stupid, just buy a Huracan, right? So anyways, we started talking about Huracans and everything, and we both ended up liking it, right? So I started looking at them, looking at mods, and I was like, you know what, like that's a dope car, like I can see myself in one. What? This car doesn't have an automatic steering wheel? It's manual? There's a little latch you gotta put down and adjust the steering wheel with. the Lexus and the Corvette have electronic. Whatever, dude. It's still a Lambo. It's all that matters. Put the seat back a little bit. But anyways, talking with her or whatever, I started liking Huracan, started liking the idea. And then I got the RCF. I got the RCF when I was 23 years old, had the Shelby at 20. And I was like, you know what, bro? I can get a Lambo before 30 easily. I went to college for accounting, worked at a CPA firm for a bit, doing auditing and at the station while bartending and doing the YouTube thing. Now I'm just doing my own thing, just trapping, you know, but I think I can do it. It might be a stretch, but these cars are only $170,000, $180,000. Hopefully in 3 years it can go down to 120, 130, and I can easily get one if I still have the Z06. Sell it, use like 30K equity, get this car, finance like 90 grand, 1,500 a month or whatever. Super doable. But like, I'm not getting the Lambo to get girls. I'm not getting the Lambo to like flex on people. To me, it's just a goal, and I'm a very goal-oriented person. So, just something to work towards, you know? I got my gym bros behind me in the Z06. The owner of this, Roberto, super nice for letting me drive it. But what I like about the car, like, it's smaller than the Z06 by a long shot. The windshield is on my forehead, but this car feels like it was made for me. I'm only 5'7", I'm a shorter guy. But so like, if you're over 6'1", you can't fit in this car. Even if you're 6 foot, you're very crammed in this thing. So the passenger seat is super uncomfortable. But hear this. So the transmission is insane. It's just I'm wearing glasses so you can't see my eyes. I'm literally like orgasming right now. So this has an SSR Performance Race exhaust. My buddy Shah Siddiqui owns that shop. Only $1,500 for the exhaust, which is a steal. Usually they're like $10,000. And the transmission in this car, the paddles are this big. The transmission is crazy. It just shifts so fast. Like, look at this. Downshift to fourth, third. Just those shifts make me so happy. So fucking happy. Ah, this thing cut me off. You're gonna cut off the gold Lambo. This car just feels amazing, man. I love it. Like, you know when you just feel like something's made for you? Like this jacket, when I like tried it on, I'm like, this was made for me. Or when you meet that one girl in the middle of class and you're like, man, this girl's hot. Let's see. Gotta put him in passenger seat of this. I'm like, all right. And Will's telling me Roberto's gonna be in the passenger seat. I'll be like, okay, let's do it. Because the Z06 is scarier in the passenger seat. So Will wants to drive it and put Roberto in the passenger. Because I don't want to say the Z06 is a lot faster than this, but it's faster. For sure. And from a stop, this would kill the Z06 if they use launch control. But let's see what these guys are saying. Yeah, we'll pull over. From a roll, the Z06 would stop this car. This sounds amazing. Put the e-brake on. Gonna park it. There we go. We Gucci time. But yeah, here it is on the outside. Honestly, super aesthetic car. Z06 is an amazing looking car too. Faster car. I guess exotic car. They're both dope. You can't go wrong. But a Lambo's a Lambo at the end of the day. This is our performance for all your guys will see me in a Lambo within 3.5 years. I have an idea of how I'm gonna do it. I might mess up, but I'll figure it out. So there will be a Lambo on the channel in about 3 years. So hold on for that. Closer to 4 years actually, but it's just like, the reason I don't want to call it a dream car is because I'm next to this car so often because I'm always with them, and I drive it a lot. So it almost kind of feels like I don't already own it, but I've already had one in a way. So when I get my own, it's not going to be special, you know? Like, it's going to be like, all right, now I can drive this car whenever I want, right? Like, but like I get to drive it all the time, so I kind of already have one in a way. But yeah, yeah, my gold car, Lamborghini Huracan, I'll have it in the next 4 years. Watch me do it. In the meantime, I'll have some Z06 RCF, RST content. I appreciate you guys watching everything. You know, I do this as a hobby for you guys. I don't do it as a source of revenue, which is why I don't push my merch or anything. But yeah, you know, wish me luck, guys. I wish you guys luck on all your goals and aspirations. The plates for the RCF will be going on the Lambo. That they were meant for the Lambo. I